Yeah, well, we came through the Alpine Way from through Threadbow and Jindabyne. There was no tiny little bit of snow on the side of the road, but nothing really.
That's when we can get some accommodation, so go and have a look down at the caravan park here a little bit and see if they got anything going.
So the cop up there didn't have accommodation?
Oh, we never really checked it here, so...
We're spoiled. We like our own toilet. I don't like sharing. And yeah, so basically that's it.
Yeah.
I tell you now, your mate, unless he makes a conscious effort, he'll never get away. Because Christopher, his middle name is Have a Chat. Once he starts, he can't shut up. I have to go and drag him away sometimes. I say, come on, Christopher. Christopher! Can't hear me.
Oh, the Rex. Rex.
Oh, thank God, he says, yeah, I'm free.
Hey, Rex. There is a motel round the back here.
Yeah, we checked out the motel on booking.com, but it can sleep 3, 2 in a double bed and 1 in a single, and none of us want to sleep in the double bed with the other. Anyway, nice to talk to you. So we're going down to this caravan park, Christopher.
All right, guys, ride safe.
All right, yep. Jesus. So we're going down to the Lakelands Caravan Park to see if they've got accommodation for tomorrow night in a cabin with at least 3 separate beds. We'll see what happens. Almost feels like thunderstorm weather. What'd you say?
I don't think they have cabins here. It's only these caravans and those tents.
Oh, you might be right. Oh, okay. I'll go and ask anyway. If there's not, well, there's not. I'll just ask.
Because we've always got it where we're going tonight.
Yeah. Hello.
How can I help?
Do you have cabins?
No,
You don't?
sorry, just sites.
Bugger.
If you're looking for somebody in town, I'd suggest trying the Tallangatta Hotel.
Okay.
They have pub rooms.
All right. Okay. Thanks very much anyway. No.
Let's just go to Myrtleford and we'll worry.
Figure it out then, eh? Yeah. You've got the address, haven't you, Chris? You've got the address in your GPS, haven't you? It's quite warm. I've opened up all the vents on my jacket. It says it's 24 degrees, but it feels hotter than that. Actually feels like a thunderstorm coming. Anyway, see what happens. Dji Creek. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Myrtleford. Temperature's 22 degrees, but it feels a bloody lot colder. Not that it's really cold, but it feels way colder than 22. Smell all that timber, I can smell it. Looks like timber's one of the main industries around here by the look of it. And my guess is dairy cattle. Myrtleford's another pretty little town. The flora here is gorgeous. So the feeling you would be flooded here. Myrtleford Holiday Park, that's us. 250 metres. So green. Yeah. It'll do. Wait till Christopher goes in and books us in. Alright, so where are we? Office, oh yeah. Emergency assembly point, probably around about there. There's a map, a colour coded map with
You guys can fit through there without the gate going up, can you?
Yeah. Yep.
what did he say?
Can we fit through the gap on the side of the gate?
Bullshit.
Yeah, get through there easy.
Not with panniers.
Yes, yeah, yeah.
I'll go that way. That's the widest point.
I don't know how accurate this is going to be.
Just. Just. But you'll have to take it at a, like
I just go
the level of the concrete, almost. Anyway.
I hope the cabin's bigger than that.
I wonder why they're not just going to open the gate. Anyway, they've got a colour-coded thing there that tells you powered sites, unpowered sites, tents, vans, and trouble.
See it over there, look through
Yeah.
There's a timber town.
Yeah. Oh, it looks neat and tidy. Anyway, little caravan park. Bowling club. Yeah. Anyway, nice enough. Oh, that's what I'm going to do. Hey? I was just wondering if they got any milk.
No, there's only the small UHT milks.
Yeah.
There's Food Works on the corner.
Yeah, we saw that.
If you actually go out of the park, yeah. So if you go out of the park here,
Yeah.
cross the road, Coles is just round the back of Australia Post.
Ah,
You're ever so close.
okay.
Oh, definitely. Yeah.
Great.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. We follow the road up
Yeah.
the other side there, and when where are we? Here we are. 8. Yeah, so you just go down here, those traffic cones, then turn up there, and
For the traffic cone.
it's the first one, missed the second one,
That's number
and the
8.
turn. Yeah.
Rightio.
Number 8. And we can park anywhere we like, except when you get there.
6, 7, 8. Here we are. Number 8. I said, so Coppers came along and took the report. He said, yeah. He said there was a big fella, young big fella who did all the talking, and there was this smaller fella, an older fella who said, fuck all, didn't know shit from clay. And I said,
Did you fess up?
I looked at this, I said, do you recognise this face? Anyway, he, oh. I said, yeah, that was me, and anyway. Ross is a guy that calls a spade a spade.
Yeah.
Great guy, great guy.